Here she is in action with the wagon, unloading mulch from the back of the truck.
Yeah. Ding.
So to stop the mulch from falling through, it's just a piece of cardboard on the bottom and some cardboard standing up on the sides. Not that exciting, is it? And to get the mulch to transition from the truck into the wagon, just pull the tarp out a little bit over the tailgate and then use, simplest approach possible, a rake. Then we just pull the tarp out of the truck, out of the bed, to get the mulch closer to the wagon. We fold under the lip of the tarp and slowly but surely get all the mulch in the truck. It's not in the truck, in the wagon. Not rocket science, but it's hot and I'm trying to make quick work of it. So I probably should go help her. See, even with the short sides, the disposable pieces of cardboard, we got the majority of it in there, piled up, even above. Had a little bit of spillage, but you know, it's just mulch. And we have determined it must have tool, a chalk, to keep it from rolling away when we go down the hill, like she's about to do. Yeah, mule pull. Yeah, no, that's funny because I'm the one who's usually carrying the stuff. Ha ha. She sprinkles her fairy dust everywhere. See, it's not nearly as bad as a wheelbarrow. There they are. With weed block mulch cages. Cages are really there for our purposes. It may prevent a deer from sticking their head down into the berries at this point, but this also helps us remember where they are. And then as soon as the mower is put back together, I'll drive it down the middle of this and you won't even see. All this will be nice and clean. See, we actually finished. Weed cloth, mulch, cages, and all the berries. There it is, proof that we could finish something. Okay, we haven't put cages on the blackberries. Gonna do more of a trellis, even though these are self-supporting blackberries. I'm gonna do a trellis from one end to the next, and then we're gonna spread the limbs out so that they face south and get a lot of sunlight, and hopefully they'll produce a lot of berries that way. It's not necessary, but we're gonna give it a shot. Of course, we have to wait for the blackberries to get quite a bit taller than the 2 feet that they are currently. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.